The one benefit, the big benefit I want to give you out of this presentation is in speaking with many sign companies for the last few years, nobody knew where to go to get solar. And again, we've been doing this for about 8 years very successfully. And with the signage you can do, whether it's a directional, a monument, a pole sign, a pylon, there's really not a limit. We do have flexible panels to use where necessary. Our warranty is 5 years on the system. The solar panels will last 25 years easy, so they'll outlast the sign with no problem. And again, the batteries are the only consumable you may have within the system, just like a power supply. And when you use solar, you use no power supplies in your signs.